Server, storage, network, software, all integrated, one part number, available through Passport Advantage, up and running in 4 hours. And what did we say about 3 clicks to get something running? Then your workloads can be deployed. This system with multi-tenant capability, with built-in virtualization, with elastic scaling, with the ability to deploy a myriad of workloads is really the first true platform as a service system, speeding deployments of up to 100 times. You saw in Jason's demo the Pure System Center where he accessed the application that was deployed. Right now, that online application catalog has over 150 predefined patterns from IBM and from our business partners. And in the last 2 weeks alone since the launch, we've added more capabilities. And IBM intends to use this as a vehicle for our own software deployment, capturing our own expertise. BPM, business intelligence, social collaboration are just a couple of the patterns that IBM is going to be making available. But we want to make sure that that capability is available to everyone as well. So, we're announcing today a new virtual pattern development kit that enables you or your partners to develop patterns for Pure Systems. And we're announcing a new cloud-based capability, a sandbox, if you will, to enable you to get on to the Pure Systems concepts and develop your own patterns. We've also added a new feature to the center to allow you to nominate an ISV or an application that you may not see there yet that you need for your own systems and your own business deployments. It really is a complete ecosystem approach with substantial benefits and we feel a real game-changing model.
That sophistication grew and grew and grew over time. Many of you still manage and operate those systems, and when you lift the covers on those KICS and IMS transactions, they are incredibly sophisticated in terms of what they do. It took us decades to perfect that in the vertical dimension: sales, finance, supply chain. Now think about the new world, a world of federated environments, interconnected enterprises where cloud services are interconnected with on-premise services. How do you manage and maintain transactional integrity in a horizontal environment? Obviously not disrupt the vertical integrity. Clearly you need to have a rich infrastructure that's capable of dealing with all the same attributes that you expected back in the 1970s, have to be present in current day technology that's capable of doing horizontal integration. You've got to be able to do compensation, remediation, rollback, recovery. You've got to have effective rules that help you deal with the automation and horizontal straight-through processing connectivity across the enterprise, touching on many different processing systems, each with its own transaction integrity rules. And now you've got to re-implement that in the horizontal domain with effective business process management and workflow control. That, in a nutshell, that paragraph I just recited is what the IBM company has been working on now, literally for the last couple of decades, recognizing that horizontal integration through message-oriented middleware evolving into more sophisticated enterprise service buses and fully recoverable, fully transactional infrastructure on top of which effective business process management can be layered was clearly the future of business process integration and of transaction processing. The melding of modularity and service-oriented techniques together with sophisticated transaction processing techniques to deliver next-generation business process integration and give every business, regardless of what industry you're in, the ability to do straight-through processing at the lowest possible cost with the highest level of transactional integrity. Right? That's the mission of the IBM team, that's the challenge, and frankly, that's what we're going to continue to work on. And what I'm really happy with is the many years that the team, together with myself, have invested in this, the progress we've made, and how far we've come in being able to realize this. Truly a grand challenge computer science problem.